Hi Ray, just going to run through the demo page, the functionality. There's a couple of things that need refining that I've noticed, and I'll just talk you through what I've found. So coming on to the, one second, I'll just refresh the page. Yeah, there we go. Blue markers are unlocked for you to try. If I come over the marker, come onto the pop-up and come away, disappears, which is great, and then the blue marker pop-up animated. If I move straight off the marker, the pop-up should disappear. I thought that was done, but anyway, at the moment it's not happening, so that's one thing to look at. Sometimes the tooltip down here does not reappear when the pop-up disappears. It should always reappear. So if I go back, click off it, okay, so there it is there. Now if I just zoom past, say, these grey markers here, the tooltip disappears. So it shouldn't happen. The tooltip should stay there a bit more robustly. It shouldn't be phased by the grey markers, so quickly. That these should actually need to pop up for the tooltip to disappear, not just a quick flyby. I've noticed on these markers that click the image to go to this page, sometimes it animates okay, but yeah, it gets that glitch that just happened then. That one was fine. There, it has a little bit of a glitch. So what I suggest is that we scrap the animation on this one, and it's visible straight away with the pop-up. So if you could remove the animation of the green tooltip so that it's visible as soon as the pop-up comes into view, that would be good. So I've just been through the whole process of the tooltips, and the only comment is right at the end here for when it's zoomed right in, just the break to be after 2. Zoom on the next line. You should be able to narrow up the tooltip once that's done. That's it for now. Thanks, Ray. Cheers.